Hi friends, welcome to our GK channel. You are watching Boon for Win. Friends, today I am coming with the important current affairs of 3rd week August 2020. Friends, if you are watching for the first time to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.
Which is the cleanest city in India as of Swachh Sarvekshan 2020? Answer: Indore. The top 5 cleanest cities are: number 1 Indore, 2 Surat, 3 Navi Mumbai, 4 Vijayawada, 5 Ahmedabad. The cleanest city from Telangana is 23rd rank Hyderabad. The cleanest cities from Andhra Pradesh are 4th rank Vijayawada and 9th rank Visakhapatnam. Indore ranks as cleanest city for the 4th consecutive time. The cleanest state in India is Chhattisgarh and Telangana ranked at 8th place. The first edition of Swachh Sarvekshan was released in 2016 under the Swachh Bharat Mission. The Swachh Bharat Mission was launched on 2nd October 2014 on the birth anniversary day of Mahatma Gandhi. Next question: how many children across the world lack basic hand washing facilities at their schools? Answer: 818 million. 2 in 5 schools lack basic facilities across the world. 43% of schools across the world with lack of basic facilities of hand washing. 7 in 10 schools in least developed countries are with the lack of basic facilities. 1 in 3 schools in worldwide they have limited drinking water. 698 million children lacked the basic sanitation service at their schools. This report was jointly published by WHO and UNICEF. The current Director General of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. The current head of UNICEF is Henrietta Fore. Next question: who were conferred with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for 2020? The awardees of Rajiv Khel Ratna for 2020: Rohit Sharma cricketer, Mariyappan Thangavelu para athletics, Manika Batra table tennis, Vinesh Phogat wrestling, Rani Rampal hockey. The full list of all other sports awardees list available at our Twitter, twitter.com/Born4Win. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It was instituted in 1991-92. It is the highest sports honor in India. The prize money for this award is 7,50,000 for each. The first awardee of this award is Vishwanathan Anand and he became the youngest recipient of this award at the age of 18 years. Dronacharya Award. It is sports coaching honor in India. This award was instituted in 1985. The prize money for this award is 5 lakh. The first winners of this award is Balachandra Bhaskar Bhagavat, Om Prakash Bharadwaj and O.M. Nambir. Next question: which state has achieved a top position in implementation of Amrit scheme? Answer: Odisha. The Amrit scheme stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. This mission was launched on 24th June 2015 by PM Narendra Modi. The Rajasthan state was first in the country to submit their state annual action plan under Amrit scheme. This scheme was aimed to housing for all across the nation by 2022. A 1 lakh crore investment for urban development under Amrit scheme and Smart Cities mission. Next question: who appointed as the new Director General of Border Security Forces? Answer: Rakesh Asthana. The Border Security Force BSF was formed on 1st December 1965. The motto of BSF is Duty unto Death. It headquartered at New Delhi. It have at present 186 battalions with the strength of 2,57,363 members. Currently it becomes world's largest border guarding force. The first Director General of BSF is KF Rustamji. Here is the list of BSF ranks. Next question: which institute ranks at top position in Atal ranking of institutions on innovations achievements 2020? Answer: IIT Madras. Top 5 institutions are in India is: number 1 IIT Madras, number 2 IIT Bombay, 3 IIT Delhi, 4 IISc Bangalore, 5th one IIT Kharagpur. The University of Hyderabad from Telangana placed at 10th position. Around 674 institutions are participated in these rankings. This ranks was published by our Indian Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu Garu. IIT Hyderabad and NEET Warangal, which were placed in the band of 11th to 25th ranks of engineering colleges. JNTU Hyderabad placed in GOAT and GOAT aided universities 6th to 25th ranks band. Next question, where is the annual International Film Festival of India to be held? Answer, Goa. The International Film Festival of India was founded in 1952. The first edition of this film festival was held in 1952 in Mumbai. This year's film festival is 51st edition. The Goa state was formed on 30th May 1987. The capital city of Goa is Panaji. The current Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant. The current Governor of Goa is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next question, which state has achieved the first rank in Health and Welfare Centre operationalization? Answer, Punjab. The capital city of Punjab is Chandigarh. Current Chief Minister Amarinder Singh. The current Governor VP Singh Badnor. It is the 20th largest Indian state by area. It is the 16th largest state by the population as of 2011 census. A 5 rivers flowing on Punjab state: Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Chenab and Jhelum. Punjab called as land of the 5 rivers. Next question, what is the India's rank based on number of organic farmers? Answer, first rank. And India is on 9th position in terms of land area farming. The certified organic agriculture accounts for 70 million hectares globally. Organic farming organizations established in 1972. As of 2018 survey, approximately 7.15 crores hectares are worldwide farming organically. Approximately 1.5% of the world farmland used for organically. The cropping methods are crop rotation, green manures, compost, biological pest control and mechanical cultivation. Next question, which Indian cricketer announces his retirement from international cricket recently? Answer, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is the only cricketer to feature in 80 IPL finals and the only captain win all 3 formats of trophies in international. He awarded with Raja Khel Ratna in 2008, Padma Shri in 2009, Padma Bhushan in 2018. He is the most successful captain in limited overs and he having won the trophies of T20 World Cup in 2007, 50 Oval in 2011, Champion Trophy in 2013. Along with Dhoni, another famous international cricketer Suresh Raina also announced his retirement on the same day. He is the first Indian batsman to score centuries in all 3 formats. He is the only Indian batsman to score centuries in T20 and ODI World Cup. Suresh Raina is the first ever cricketer to reach 5,000 runs in Indian Premier League.